Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in case you are new here, hi, my name is Gauri and I post beauty and sometimes fashion related content on my channel, and if that's something that interests you, then please continue watching. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing my absolute favorite hack for summers. It is basically for your foundation, how to make your base long lasting, or if you are wearing foundation in your daytime और बाहर जा रहे हो धूप में तो वो melt ना हो और वो सब चीज़ें. So and also I'm going to be trying out these newly launched foundation from Mamaearth, and I'm super duper excited to share it with you all. So let's just get started. So the very first step is to obviously wash your face and apply a good amount of moisturizer, which I already did. The second step is to use a good loose powder or translucent or compact powder, any sort of powder, just like dab it all over your face like so. The next step is to use a primer. I would suggest to use a silicone or mattifying primer, but on my personal reference I really like silicone based primer for this, so I'm gonna use one like so, and I'm just gonna apply it like this on my T-zone only. पूरे face पे I'm not gonna apply, and just gonna take it like this. I'm just gonna push it in and just spread it like that. You can use any silicone based primer or a mattifying primer. I'll link some of my favorites in the description box, so you can just check them out. So this step is for people who are of oily skin type and their T-zone is like extremely oily. You can just take some translucent or compact powder again and just apply it like so. I don't really recommend it for dry skin types, but I don't know, I'm just doing it like that only. But if you are a dry skin type and if you want to do it, you can. Definitely base बिल्कुल ख़राब नहीं करेगा. Even I did it this as well, but because of mask it tried to look patchy and everything क्योंकि layer थोड़ा build up हो गई थी. But I feel oily skin types के लिए बहुत अच्छा work करने वाला है. Now comes the best part. I'm gonna be trying out these foundation from Mamaearth. I have 4 shades with me. I have 05 beige glow, I have 06 almond glow, I have 04 sand glow, and 07 toffee glow. Yes, I'm gonna share all the swatches with you all on the screen. Let me read it out for you guys. So Mamaearth has recently launched their glow serum foundation, which is infused with vitamin C and turmeric. It gives 2x instant glow. It is made safe. It is 12-hour long lasting. It is suited for all skin types. It is dermatologically tested and it gives flawless coverage, you guys. Let me show you all the packaging. This is how it looks like. I absolutely love the glass bottle. This is like a frosted glass bottle and the cap, and I love everything about this. Like its packaging is so pretty, and you will also be getting a pump, which is like, oh my god, you'll be getting a pump. And talking about the price point, this retails for rupees 599 only, which I feel is really good for the quantity you'll be getting about this foundation. Alright, so I'm gonna be using shade number 04 Sand Glow. Love the packaging. I'm just gonna apply it. Okay, this side I'm gonna apply it with a brush, and this side I'm gonna apply it with a beauty blender. So it will gonna be like a testing video as well. So let's just, I'm taking one pump over here and one pump over this side. We're gonna blend this side first with the beauty blender. The consistency is really good. I mean, I really like the consistency. You guys can see it's not really thick, it's not really thin. I'm hoping that it will gonna give like medium to full coverage or buildable. Let's just try it out, check it out, try it out, and oh my god, I'm super excited. Mamaearth is killing with like makeup products, I'm telling you all. On camera it looks really white, I don't know why. Let's just blend it out first. The coverage is phenomenal. For the price point, I feel this foundation will gonna kill in the market. Just apply it like concealer as well. Oh my god, it covered my dark circles, guys. I'm just gonna apply it like here as well. Okay, I'm loving this. Abhi se hi, I'm just gonna blend it out on my forehead. On the next side, I'm gonna be trying it out with my brush. I just lost it. I'm just gonna use this brush. All the details of the products, brushes, I'll mention in the description box. Okay, I feel the coverage is equal with the blender, with the brush as well. I feel blender से it looking more natural. I feel brush से coverage कम दे रहा है. I don't know. This is the first foundation I feel like this. But overall, guys, I really like this foundation. See, it's now matching with my neck as well. I don't know. वो I guess first half पे लगाया था ना, इस वजह से वो खराब लग रहा था. But yeah, I really like this foundation. It is giving like good amount of coverage. Also, if you guys don't know about Mamaearth as a brand, let me just tell you, Mamaearth is all natural and chemical free brand. It is dermatologically tested, which is why I absolutely love this brand. It is really good for sensitive skin as well, and it is always skincare infused. Whenever you are applying your makeup, it also takes care of your skin as well. Also, I absolutely love their initiative, which is every single time you buy from them, they will link your order on the website to a tree that they plant. The exact geological picture and the species of the tree will be sent to you, which I absolutely love, and you can also be a part of this amazing initiative. Also, it is a plastic positive and Indian brand, which is yay from my side. Mamaearth has also launched their official application. I'm gonna link their link for iOS and Android both in the description box, so you can check them out. Also, if you guys would like to buy anything from Mamaearth, you can buy it from their website and use my coupon code flashing over the screen to get 20% off. You can also buy Mamaearth products from Amazon, Nykaa, Purple and FirstCry, but remember the code will be only applicable on their website and application. Okay, my base looks absolutely flawless. I hope you guys can see it on camera. Now what you all need to do is just take some loose powder, compact powder and set your under eyes like so, both lightly. You do not need to bake as such, because I feel baking now doesn't look good like daily basis के लिए. It looks little extra. So yeah, and already you have so many layers going on under, so avoid baking. But if you want to, you can absolutely go ahead. I'm just gonna set my whole face like बहुत lightly. I'm just gonna go off camera and complete the whole look, and we'll be right back. So this is the final look, you guys, and this is how my base is looking. I absolutely love how it is looking on camera, plus on reality mirror में it looks so flawless, like airbrushed. Like I'm not even kidding you, it looks airbrushed. Absolutely love it. I highly recommend you guys to just try this hack for once, and do let me know down in the comment section. So the last step in this hack is to setting your face. You can use any setting spray or face mist or anything like that. If you are of oily skin type, you can definitely go ahead and use a mattifying setting spray, or if you are of dry skin type, you can use natural finish or mattifying. I feel dewy तो नहीं चलेगा ब्रो, क्योंकि वैसे भी ऑलरेडी थोड़ी देर बाद आपका बेस लाइक ये सब करने के बाद भी थोड़ा बहुत इट स्टार्ट्स टू लाइक लुक डूई सा ना. बट इफ़ यू गन स्प्रे लाइक डूई स्प्रे, और वो तो कोई फ़ायदा नहीं इतना सारा ये सब करने का हैक का. सो या गाइज, दैट्स इट फॉर टुडेज वीडियो. आई होप यू ऑल एंजॉयड वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. प्लीज़ डू ट्राई दिस हैक एंड डू लेट मी नो डाउन इन द कॉमेंट सेक्शन कि आपके लिए कैसा वर्क किया है. आई सी यू इन माई नेक्स्ट वन really soon, and I'm so sorry for not being much active. I was having my exams and everything और एक साथ, so that's why I was focusing on that. And yeah, if you want to know anything or like related videos or anything, just comment down और कैसा videos you guys would love to see, वो भी बता देना. And I'll see you in my next one super soon. And yeah, I love you all so much. Bye.